Once upon a younger year, when all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons, made memories that we would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me